Hello all, welcome to Selenium Python Training Series. In this session, as part of Selenium WebDriver, I am going to practically demonstrate how to clear the text from text fields. So let's get started. In Selenium Python, to clear the text from the text fields, we have to use a command known as clear command. Okay. So let me practically demonstrate this command on how to use this command for clearing the text from the text fields. For that, I'll switch to this PyCharm IDE where we already have some sample Selenium code written for demonstrating the previous sessions. So this statement is going to open the Firefox browser. This statement is going to maximize the browser window. And this statement is going to open this application URL in the browser. Okay. So like this. So let the browser load and let's browse for this application. So once this application is opened here, what I want to do is I want to clear the text from this text box field and from this text area field. From any field, you can clear the text. If there is some text inside any of the text fields like text box or text area or whatever the other text fields, you can clear the text inside this text box and text area and other type of text fields with the help of this simple command known as clear command. And this is the way we have to use driver.findElement.clear. Okay. So for that, let's write the automation code. After opening this application URL, I want to inspect this text field which is having some text here that I want to clear. So here it has an ID. Copy this ID. Just for demo purpose, I'll be adding time.sleep here. Time.sleep so that you can see there is some text and that text is getting cleared. I'll give 5 seconds. And here I'll say driver dot find element. Here I already mentioned this particular text field has an ID. Text box 1. Copy that ID and say by dot ID, comma, give that ID. And how to clear the text inside this text box field? Simply use the command dot clear. That's it. Similarly, I'll give some time.sleep for demo purpose. I'll give some 3 second system. Here also 3 will be enough, guys. Okay. Now here, I want to clear the text from this text area field. Okay. The cat was playing in the garden text. I want to clear that from this text area field. For that, I'll inspect this text area field and it doesn't have any ID or something, but the tag name is text area. So there is no proper locator I see here, but I should find some way, right? Here the class's title is there, but still I don't think that's a correct one. ID main is there. We'll try to figure out something here. Okay. So yeah, text area field. With the help of this one, we can locate this one, guys. Okay. So Control F. Here, this text you copy this particular text and say /h2 text is equal to, and single quotes give the text between the tags. You see this particular text, this is getting located, heading is getting located. I want to, with the help of this one, I want to locate this text area field. For this, where the text area field is, I'll simply say slash following colon text area. Only 1 out of 1 is coming. That's fine. Copy this one and go here and write down driver dot find element by dot xpath. Give the xpath expression to locate that text area field from which you want to clear the text. Dot focus should be on the clear command, guys. Okay. Here we are using the clear to clear the text from the text box field. Here we are using the same clear command from Selenium WebDriver Python to clear the text from the text area field. Let's run this code and see whether that things are happening or not. Run this. Firefox browser will launch, it will get maximized, it will open the application URL, and after 3 seconds, it will clear the text from the text box field. After another 3 seconds, it will clear the text from the text area field. Okay, the text box, you see the browser got launched. Maximized application URL. Focus on this text box field. You see it got clear after 3 seconds. This text also got cleared. So this is how, guys, we can use a clear command in Selenium WebDriver Python to clear the text from the text fields. Any type of text fields, we can clear the text. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.